Conditionals. Basically, conditionals are if-then sentences. If-then. When we say if-then, this is conditional. And we have a few different kinds of this. We have zero conditional. And when we have zero conditional, we say, for example, present. If present, then present. If present, then present. This is a strange construction, and we don't use it very often, but we use it to talk about situations where we have a general opinion about something. It's like a stereotype. Because we're saying that this is always true in every situation. So, for example, if it rains, then people get wet. It's just a fact. So when we use zero conditional, it's a fact or it's a strong opinion. A fact or a strong opinion. I'm going to write that over here. We use this for a fact or a strong opinion. For example, we might say, if he is a politician, then he is a liar. If he is a politician, then he lies. Right? For example, this might be a strong opinion. Someone might think this. So that's when we use zero conditional. Next is first conditional. And with first conditional, we say, if present, then future. If present, then future. So we might say, for example, if it rains, I will take my umbrella with me when I go outside, right? If it doesn't rain, we will have a picnic. So this is about the future. This is a future situation. It's a future situation, and this is a real situation. A real situation. It can happen. It can happen or it cannot happen. Both are possible because it's in the future. Okay, and we talked about first conditional last time. So today we're talking mostly about second conditional. And second conditional, we have if plus past, then would plus infinitive. If plus past, then would plus infinitive. So for example, we could say, if I lived in Antarctica, then I would see penguins every day. If I lived in Antarctica, then I would see penguins every day. But it's unreal. This is not real because I do not live in Antarctica and I don't see penguins every day. So second conditional is about the present. It's about the present. It's about now. And this is not true now. This is not real. It's unreal. Because my present cannot be different right now. It can be different in the future, but it cannot be different right now. So it's not a real situation, right? Great. And then we also have third conditional. And with third conditional, we say if plus past perfect, then would plus have plus the third form of the verb. The third form of the verb. We call this the past participle. The past participle, or the third form of the verb. So for example, we might say, if I had lived in Antarctica last year, then I would have seen penguins every day last year. All right, so both parts of this are in the past. This is completely about the past. And we cannot change the past. The past is finished. We cannot change the past. So this is unreal. It's not real.